Hi there. Welcome to the Liturgy of Vegas. Today is Christmas.
Yay!
And today is we're doing our family tradition, opening of the gifts in Christmas morning, December 25th. So I'm gonna open gifts first. Let's start off with this gift. So this gift is coming from my nephew, JJ and CJ, the son of my cousin Ate Jonah. So let's see what's in here. This is exciting. And I like this gift because although I don't know what's in here, but tsada kay siya guys, kaya napag-itsyo mong arty-arty na ganito, may mga ganito pa siya, may dried leaf pa siya, and everything, because JJ is very artsy. So, yes, 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 yes. Here. Oh, what's Snoopy? It's cute. What's this? Oh, it's a Snoopy Starbucks. Oh, it's nice.
Wow!
Look at this pa. This is nice. Starbucks. Share and smile. Peanut Starbucks. This is so cute. Wow. Thank you, Jay. Love you. And my next gift is coming from, let's see about this one. This one. Let's see this. Okay. This one is coming from my father-in-law, Dad. So it says, to Jigs and Ron from Dad and Pauline. See this. So by the way, I'm just the only one here because Ron is my videographer. Right, Pa? Papa. Oh! This is my hand mixer. Very nice.
Yay!
Dad and Pauline, love it. Hand mixer, 7-speed. So I love baking, so this is perfect for just easy, quick whisk and baking. And next, okay, this one, what is this? So this one is from my coworker at Starbucks, Kai. It's her tradition to give blankets for everyone during Christmas Day. It's nice, it's fleece, keep us warm. Thanks, Kai. And the next is, saan kaya galing to? Who do you think had this gift coming from? So this one is from the twins, Jasper and Justin. Let's see what's this inside. Na natin kung ano to. What is this? Okay. Charge inside. Oh, alarm clock and speaker. Oh my God!
Wow!
I thought it's when they give this to me on my Friday. That was Tuesday. We thought that it was a baso, but it wasn't a baso. It was really like a speaker. Oh, nice. Let's see this. It looks nice. Okay, I'm having a hard time opening it. Okay, nahirapan ako ah. Teka, hindi ko sirain yung box. Oh, it looks nice. Okay. Ooh! Okay, see this. Let's see this. Looks nice pa. Sarapan man. Struggle is real. Struggle is real for this. There you go. Oh. Oh, nice. pa? Whoa!
Yay!
Nice. So this one is dual purpose. It is a alarm clock / speaker. Thanks, boys. I appreciate it. Thank you. Very nice. Merry Christmas. May pag-gift pa kayo sa amin, ha? Social kayo, ha? Hindi kayo kuripot, ha? Ano ulit ang next gift na ibubuksan ko? So, this one. Alam nyo, guys, I feel bad because I told my husband, Ron, I said, Pa, majority of the gifts in the tree is mine. I feel bad. But you know what he told me? He said to me that the most important thing is me. That we are together always and forever. So it doesn't really matter. Wala siyang gift. Ito naman, coming from my coworker, Riza. Dai, kay Dai to galing. It's still a Starbucks stuff. Thanks, Dai. It's so funny also because I was the one who shopped this for her and only to find out it's for me. So it's nice. It's a Starbucks tote bag and my Starbucks t-shirt uniform. Thanks, Dai. Merry Christmas. Then, ano pa ba? Dyan. Next gift is this one. This one is coming from Ate Jen. Ate Jen is one of my close friends too, like Mother BFF, my cousin. You also see her on one of my vlogs. So, ito, I think these are just like, mga ano lang to, mga gamit sa kusina, like plates, look at it. All from Walgreens, Becky and Man. And then, what is this? Plate from Walgreens. Grabe na talaga ito. Kompleto na to. Chocolate. Flexing. Ate Jen, thank you so much. And then, what else I have here? And then, also, Ziploc. Grabe na to. Everything from Walgreens. Kasi sa Walgreens siya nag-work. Kaya, yun. All the stuff that she got for me is from Walgreens. Next one is, what is the next one here? Okay. This one. This one, I'm gonna have one open up because that's for him. I think the other gift is from my father-in-law and Pauline as well. I think I know about this one. This is for my kitchen. Here. Flexing. So my dad pala, my father-in-law, Ron's dad, every year they send us gift. It's really traditional already na every time when it's Christmas, meron talaga kaming gift. At lahat nakabalot na yon. It's very nice of them, very thoughtful of them. And that's they would normally ask us like around November, what is our Christmas wish list, and then we send them what we want, and then there you go. This is one of my wish list, like how do you call this one? Calendars?
Yeah, calendar.
Yeah, the calendars for my kitchen. Nice, and it's collapsible, so it's nice. Love it. Thanks, Dad and Pauline. Love you guys. And then, the next gift is from my friend, one of my close friend here in Prem, is from Christine. Si Christine, nagbigay pa talaga. Sabi ko, no need na. Ano to? Wow! Nice! Oh, very nice! It's pajama! Yellow! My favorite! Nice! I love it. Thanks, Christine! Thanks, Tin! I love it. It's yellow. Favorite color. Ang ganda naman ang aking gift. Very nice. Nice! Ay! Ulog na! Na! This is really my favorite with opening the gifts. One of my favorite things to do. Next gift is coming from my father-in-law again and Pauline. Ay, grabe na ito. All the time. Nick. Ooh. Chef Master. Oh, pa. Electric kettle. Nice. Ooh. Very nice.
Wow.
Love it, honey. Nice. It's nice, huh? Finally. Because our kettle, I messed it up. I put it on the dishwasher, so it was messed up. Still works though, but this one is way, way better. It's faster, right, pa? Nice. Thanks, Dad and Colleen. Love you guys. Merry Christmas. And the next, second to the last gift is from my... I'm going to do this last because you're going to do this, pa. It's for my cousin. Alright. This one is for my cousin. She's always on my vlog. Ate Jonna. I don't know what's in here. But yeah. Thank you so much, ate. Whew. What is this? Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Dish. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. What? Oh my goodness. Nice. Ooh, nice. My favorite. Bear. Love it. My favorite bear. Because I like bears. And my shoe. Love it. And I think pa this is for you. This one. Short. From Ralph Lauren. Nice. Thank you, ate.
Social.
Social. Thanks. Love it. And for Ronyo, I think this one, Ronyo, is for you. This one. He gave it to you. And he gave this to you, Honey Panchi. Do you want to see it yourself? Hold on, I'm gonna switch for you. You open it. Huh?
Open it.
You want me to open it
Yeah.
for you? Okay.
I know you have more fun.
Alright, here. This is for my cousin. Ready? These are all your favorite, I think. Your candy. What is this? Peppermint bark. You like this? I know you love it because you love candies. And then, what else you got here? Oh my God, he got you a cigar.
Wow.
Wee.
Nice.
Nice. Shit, cigar yarn. And then she got you another one.
Wow.
I don't know where did she get this stuff. Oh my goodness.
Love it.
And she got you another one.
Love it.
Oh my goodness. This is a surprise. This is the most thing that he likes on all the gifts that you gave. And you have this and these.
More cigar.
Peppermint again. Okay. Alright guys. I think this is it for today. I am very happy with all my gifts. Our gifts, by the way. I just wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. To all my subscribers, all my family and friends, my siblings in Cagayan de Oro, all my family, and all the Filipinos all over the world, here in Las Vegas, my coworkers, everybody. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you again for watching, guys. And thank you again for those people who are very, very thoughtful and giving us gifts and giving us love, you know, and showing their love just this Yuletide season. Thanks for watching again, guys. This is Little Gia Vegas again, creating memories of you. Peace, love.
Peace, love.